All right, we have the amazing Cozy Fun Dog Dental Powder. Animals are amazing. Dogs are members of our families, and it's very important that we show our dogs love and respect. We don't just treat them like they're nothing. We treat them like they're members of the family. So this is how you do it right here. We got the Cozy Fun Dog Dental Powder, and basically all you're gonna do right here, it shows, depending on the size of your dog, under 25 pounds, 25 to 75 pounds, or over 75 pounds. Under 25 pounds is going to be 1 to 2 scoops. 25 to 75, 2 to 3 scoops. Over 75 is going to be 3 to 4 scoops a day. You're going to dump it on their dog food. So here is the package right here. Right here. And here is the powder you're going to be dumping on. And this is going to, you're going to be treating your dog right here. Our dog right here, he is 19 pounds. So we're just going to be doing a scoop, maybe a scoop and a half, scoop to a scoop and a half. So I'm just going to take it. Just going to sort of sprinkle it on there. Hold on, Mr. Bob. Hold on. And then I'm going to sprinkle it. And he doesn't even know. He has no clue that when he eats his food, he's doing the right thing. And I watch him eat his food. He's going to love it.